Hello everyone, hope you had a great week. Welcome to our weekly update on the cryptocurrency and stock market. First of all, let us take a look at the Bitcoin. We're looking at the day chart. If we look in a big context, my opinion remains the same compared to what was said in my last video, which is if we are looking at the big trend behind, we have like a big downtrend, and now currently we're in a rebound. I will say it's a rebound. I do not think it is a reversal, mainly because if we look at the degree of this rebound, so we're only looking at a 12-degree rebound. That's why I believe the higher probability for where we're in now is a rebound, is not a reversal. And again, my opinion remains the same, that after this weak rebound, I see bigger probability for the market to going further down. Okay, so this is my opinion on the big context. And then let's look into more details, a more recent trend. As I said, we're in a rebound, and I have drawn this parallel channel. We can see that here is the supporting line, and here is the pressure line. You can see that when the market touches this pressure and goes down, close to the pressure, goes down, and then we're now again close to this pressure. So currently we're still staying in this channel. So normally when we see the price goes out of this channel, either way, we can consider there will be a new channel starting to be built. So now let's take a look at 8-hour chart, where we can pay attention to in the next few weeks or next few days, depends on how price movement will be. The important point in the 8-hour chart that we need to pay attention to is that here is the previous high. So when the price gets a higher high and MACD gets a lower high, that means we will have a top divergence. So top divergence is a precondition of a top structure. So we need to closely monitor the price movement, and especially we need to monitor when the price creates a higher high. We need to monitor whether it will be the end of this rebound. Okay, this is an important point to watch out in the near future. So I just mentioned that on the 8 hours chart, you need to watch out for the near future, whether there's a top structure or before that a top divergence appear. And same for the daily chart. I mentioned that there's a bigger probability that now we're just in the channel of the rebound, and after that it will be most likely going down and create a new lower low. So by saying all these, does it mean that we should not have the Bitcoin now? It is not because we anticipate in a bigger context there will be a further drop that we don't act now, or because we anticipate there will be a higher probability to drop after that we need to sell now. Why? Just take a look. Now we're in the daily chart again. We take a look from the previous low until now. How much has the market recovered already? 33.6%. Will anyone be psychologically okay if they miss this rebound? No, it will not be easy. Especially most of people in the market, I would say, have been through this tremendous drop earlier. So psychologically, it's difficult to miss this 34%-ish rebound. That is why I say previously that even we anticipate the bigger possibility to have a drop again in the near future, it doesn't mean we cannot enjoy this rebound, sizable rebound. Even we say it's like only 14 degree, but 14 degree compared to the degree of the previous drop, it's not impressive. However, if we look at absolute percentage of the rebound, it's not bad. It brings us 34%. For the people do as we do, which is that we follow our disciplines. We do not act, we do not buy or sell just because our feelings. We buy and sell because we see a clear signal whether the market will have higher probability to go up or going down. Until now, I haven't seen that signal yet. So here we're in a day chart. We can see that currently the price is above both long-term trend channel and short-term trend channel. So as long as the price is above both channels, we have 100% position size in, right? And then, as I mentioned earlier, the next important point of time we need to really watch out is when the price creates new higher high. So that means as long as the price does not have reach a new higher high, we do not have reason to sell. So that's why we're still inside this rebound and to enjoy the profit this rebound brings us until we see the next clear signal of a drop. Okay, so that is all what I would like to share this week on the Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at the US market. We're looking at the Nasdaq day chart. If you follow my Twitter or my YouTube video, let's just refresh our memory a little bit that on February 23rd, on this day, I gave an alert that we need to watch out the bottom to be formed the next day, which is on February 24th, and it did happen. And then on March 11th, this day, I did another YouTube video saying that we need to watch out the next 2 days, which is March 14 and March 15 for the bottom to form again. So actually on the daily chart, we can see that it did happen. The bottom structure formed on February 24th. Here the market actually did form a second bottom structure. So you can see that I actually grabbed the two bottoms. Let's just take a look. If you have been able to catch that opportunity up to now, you would already up to the top. You would already have like 17% profit. Of course, this is on with the benchmark of the index of Nasdaq. So if you do like what I did, is I have actually bought some tech stocks and as well as index ETF leverage. So with that, you can actually easily share double or at least 50% more than the index itself can give you. If we look at 1 hour chart, you can see I can show you that on Twitter I actually give out two alerts. One is here, a top structure. In the 1 hour chart, here we have a top structure, but the market was so strong, and with this new higher high to announce top structure is not effective anymore. And then I give out another alert here on Twitter saying that we need to watch out a new top structure form. The top structure actually is confirmed here. So this is not only on the 1 hour chart, but also on 90 minutes, as you can see, same situation, as well as on 2 hours chart. Okay, so we have the top structure on 3 different time frames, and this is a big alert. So what did I do is actually I sold 100% of my position size when the top structure formed here. Why is that? It's because according to my discipline, when I see a 2-hour top structure forms, so the 2-hour structure forms that normally can trigger a price reversal for between 7 to 8 trading days, and then I need to evaluate whether the 7 or 8 trading days price reversal can make the price fall below long-term trend channel and the short-term trend channel. So I think it is possible to for the price to move below both trends. That's why I decided to sell 100 position size here. So what's next? So we can see that after that, market did drop for a few days. No, yesterday was a slight up with 0.15% increase. So I actually sold on March 30. What will be my corrective action? What will be the point to prove sell here is wrong? Is only when market creates new higher high, which is above 15,253. This will mean that my selling here is wrong, so I will buy back again. Or if the market did have a correction, I will see whether I can spot another bottom structure somewhere. We will see. If you ask me the near future of the price movement, actually it's super difficult to tell. As I said before, we don't always have an opinion on whether the market will go up or go down. We don't have to, because the anticipation of the probability of the future market is just to help build sort of confidence when we buy at low, or if we anticipate the market will most likely to drop in the future. This will help us to always have the risk management in mind. However, by saying that, it doesn't mean when we have the anticipation will guide us through our trades. No, our trades will still be based on whether we see a top structure or we see a bottom structure, or whether the price actually goes above the trend channel or goes below the trend channel. These will be my only criteria for trading actions. Okay, here the previous high until here, I would say it's clearly a downtrend, and right now we are in kind of if we call this a correction of ABC, so we're at maybe a B rebound. So when you look at the length of the A and where we are currently at the B, you will see that the lengths are not in proportion. Most likely the B hasn't finished, so we could be in a B, can be a B, C rebound. Okay, so maybe we're just at a smaller correction of the B rebound, and then perhaps there will be another C stage of the rebound. And when we reach the end of the C, whether the market will go like further C correction, which will be lower than the previous low. This is one possibility. And another possibility is that the market has already finished its correction to here, and now we are already in a reversal. How do we confirm that we're in the reversal? Is only when the price creates a new higher high, which is this point here, 16,573. So when the price one day creates a new high from the previous low until now, we're in a reversal. Okay, Both ways are possible. Have to say that again, currently no clear idea which way goes higher probability, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't influence our trading decisions. Okay, that's all I would like to share with you guys. Have a great weekend and see you next time. Bye bye.